In YouTuber racing news, Cleetus McFarland has been approved to race the NASCAR Truck Series alongside teammate Travis Pastrana. And this comes after last year where he did 4 ARCA Menards Series races in his first foray into the quote-unquote professional racing scene with a best finish of 9th. Correct me if I'm wrong there. He raced Daytona, Talladega, Charlotte, and Bristol in the Menards Series, and this one is going to be the big boy, racing a NASCAR Truck Series race in Daytona. It's huge. I mean, you got to think, this is big. You got all these YouTubers racing, well, not racing, but doing professional drifting. You're looking at Adam LZ, TJ Hunt, a bunch of smaller ones, Jimmy Oaks, but something like this, mainstream quote-unquote racing series, a NASCAR Truck Series. This is, the big boy of American racings. I mean, obviously, it's not the full bore NASCAR. I don't even know what you want to call them, NASCAR cars. But it's the step below that, and it all depends on how well he does. I mean, obviously, he has a big name. He's got a big following. It's good PR for NASCAR, for the Truck Series. And if he does well, it's a good thing. I mean, if he finishes last place and whatever, it's bad for him, bad for NASCAR, whatever. And the big main thing now is people complaining that, quote unquote, you can just buy your way into NASCAR. Let's be honest here. You can buy your way into pretty much any racing series. If you have the money and the sponsorship behind you, more than likely you can get yourself into it. And that's kind of the thing. If you do not have sponsors, you do not have the money to back yourself, you're probably not going to be racing no matter how talented you are. I mean, you watch any of these series, there's a ton of people talking about how, they wish they could do it professionally, but they don't have, the money to just get themselves there. And NASCAR is no different than anything like that. But it's going to be interesting to see. I mean, obviously, he's a car YouTuber. He's owns his own little racetrack. Obviously, it's not something completely brand new to him, but there is nuances to racing around. I don't even know. Somebody tell me in the comments below how many other people are racing in this series. It's interesting, though. I mean, him and Travis Pastrana, fun team. Very, I'd say non-serious, but obviously this is a serious thing. There's a lot of money behind it. Was it Black Rifle Company is sponsoring his attempt? And I think they're racing for the Nice Workwear Chevrolet, but I don't know. You guys tell me. Comments down below. Do you watch NASCAR? Are you Truck Series? Are you on the main one? Do you follow all the way down to the Menard Series? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me. Do you think this is a good idea? How well he's going to do? Whatever. While you're down there, sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.